Hey, what's the fuss about essential oils and why do we use them? Or are you using them? Let's take a closer look, okay? Essential oils are a powerful tool provided by nature to support our bodies to do what they were designed to do, functioning properly, also known as being healthy. So they have been used therapeutically since the beginning of time for medicinal, first aid and spiritual benefits. Heck, even primates in the wild will eat certain plants when they are not feeling well. And when we take a look at the science to understand why they work, it's really quite fascinating. We were made to have our health and wellness supported by many things: pure water, a clean and non-toxic environment, mobility, social encouragement, positive relationships, a nutrient-dense diet, and proper supplementation. And probably I have forgotten a couple of more things that we should do. All of these things support our health and wellness. And sleep, yes. And essential oils are one of the most versatile, fast-acting and simple tools that we have been given. So when you take a look at the human cell under a microscope, you will see its outer layer. It's made of a lipid, meaning it's made of an oily substance, an oily material. It's not water. Oils and water do not mix, like gerbils and driving. But anyways, when an essential oil comes in contact with a human cell, the outer layer of the cell lets the essential oil come right in and deliver all its therapeutic properties to the cell. If the outer layer of the cell wall was any other substance, then essential oils and our cells would not mix and would not get through. So it's a perfect design. Unlike the nutrients we absorb through food or oral supplements, essential oils actually bypass our digestive systems altogether. And essential oils can be applied to our body and reach the bloodstream within minutes, reaching every cell in 20 minutes. And because they are created to work with our bodies, we can get support for our body systems by using the right essential oils. And by right, I mean the highest quality essential oils. So they soak into your skin quickly because they are only 500 AMU, or atomic mass units, or less in size. So let's say tiny. They are fat soluble, which means they can be absorbed through our skin and they can reach every part of the body. They love to bind to fat, to fatty substances. And even our brain noodle, where we store our emotions, which is why essential oils offer amazing aromatherapy benefits and have the ability to affect our emotional and mental health so effectively. So I mentioned then that they can be applied topically, but they can also be diffused with a diffuser. Not this little lamp, the aroma lamp with where you put a little candle underneath. That destroys the oil. It's not cool. So a cold diffuser is a great way to do that. And you can inhale them aromatically out of your hands, apply it to your body, apply it to your pillow when you go to sleep, stuff like that. They can also be used internally, or all three, you decide, okay? So the innate property of essential oils makes them a fun and simple part of your wellness routine to learn and adapt to. Essential oils can clean your cell receptors, the cell receptor sites, and allowing for better communication between other cells and the organs and organ systems within our body. So They help to move stored waste from our body and also have a very high energetic frequency, like our organs as well, and our organ systems. Each one has a different frequency level. And so different oils adapt to different organ systems and different organs. It's quite fascinating. And of course, time for a different video. So all of these aspects of using essential oils help to make us feel amazing. We support our emotions, our body's energy system, detoxify and clean up our cells, and bring support to our body with each drop, with each single drop. So pick your own pace and methods, but just like with all other healthy habits, consistency is key. You will feel the benefits in no time. So I know that making healthy lifestyle choices isn't easy. So when you struggle with ordering a salad over the burger or choosing to exercise regularly, have a hard time with that. Getting a good night's sleep is hard for you, or even knowing where to start with all of this. Well, making healthy choices does not have to be overwhelming, and you can take small steps one at a time that make a big difference. And I've got you covered there. You will find underneath this video several links. There's a free quick reference guide for essential oils and how to use them. There's also, when you want to start making, like, changing something in your lifestyle, there's also a guide to a simple start natural living, which will guide you through simple steps to change, to really clean out your environment. So you will see. So please look into the links below the video. There's also the subscribe to this channel link, and please click the subscribe button. Also, don't forget to click the little bell to get notifications even when I get live or when there's another video uploaded. Okay, that's for now. Stay adventurous and talk to you soon. Bye.